Hey, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today, looking forward to sharing with you about this car mount by VANMASS. This was sent to me to review, try out. Hopefully after you see this video, you'll then decide if this is for you or not. I'll also put a link in the description where you could see what other people have to say about it, and appreciate you clicking on the link. And then again, decide if it is for you. Also, a thumbs up if you find this video is of help to you, and also subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate new subscribers. Now, if you want to go directly straight to my car and seeing this part of the video where I'm demonstrating and driving it, I'm going to timestamp it so you can go directly to the video. But before I do, there are some things that I want to highlight with the product, and then we'll go ahead into my car and we will demonstrate driving. So first of all, with the product, you obviously get the box, simple box, nothing fancy about it. You have a thank you note there. You also have the plate. So we're going to demonstrate this is one way with using the car mount. You also have the user manual. So you got the user manual there. And also you have, what makes it so unique is that you can do it multiple different ways with mounting your phone. And that is with the windshield. You can use it with the vent. And again, you can use it with the plate. So I have a Google Pixel 4 XL, and it fits perfectly well. You've got here, the front here, you got rubberized arms. You got on the bottom, by the way, you could see it's like lipped there, so it will keep the phone from falling, so that keeps it locked in place, and also keeps it from scratching the phone. To open the arms, you press the button in here, and that opens it up. Just put your phone in there. That locks in place like that, and you could see it's not falling out, so that's a good thing. Now to open it up again, you just press the button and then your phone pops out. You can close this up. Now if you want to go whether in landscape or vertical, you can loosen the knob and then you could turn it. You can also go 360 degrees. So that's a good thing, and then once you find what you want and the position you want, you could then lock that and then it doesn't move. One of the other nice things here is it's got this knob, and if you unlock it, this will extend the arm. And then once you find how long you want, you could just lock that like that, and then that stays in place. And then lastly, the suction, you got this, releases the suction. You've got the lever, because this is very sticky, especially being new. And then you've got this knob, which you can then adjust for the angle, so you could see. So if you're going to, as we will put it on the dash, you can then tighten this up, and then this, would lock in place on the dash. So you got a lot of different options with this car mount, which makes it a little bit more unique than a lot of other car mounts on the market. So one last thing, just to show you how you convert this to go from this with the suction to your vent. What you would do is you would just unscrew the back, and then you pull out that piece. You have this piece you hang on to, and then what you would do, just slide that through like this, pop that lock into place, and then you turn that, and that's closed. And now if you want to put this into your vent, you could see how the lever's up, and then like that, and then once you want to close it, you just take that knob, and now it's locked into the vent, and then you could use it that way too. So you got a lot of nice different options with this car mount. So we're gonna go next into my car. We'll set up all these different options. We'll drive, and you can see how well it holds up. So here we go. Okay, so we're gonna do the vent mount first. I've got the angle that I want. So it's pointing at me. And then we're gonna take the lever, and I am gonna pull it out. And so as you can see, it is on there. There's the levers right there on the bottom. Let me show you that. So right there, the lever is out. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone in there. And now we're gonna go ahead and we are going to drive. Okay, so we're driving, As you can see, it's holding up well. It's not shaking, and don't really hear any rattling. We do have some bumps in the road, so at least this will give you an idea of how well it will hold up on the road. And that is the vent mount option. Okay, so now I have the mount connected to the window mount. The arm is extended, and this will give you an idea of how well it holds up while driving. Try and see if we can go over a little bit of a bump so you can see it's holding up well. Okay, so I have the dash vent mount on. I try to use the plate, but the plate's actually not even needed. So you can see the arm is extended and it's holding up well. You've got the lever in the back there that once you put that down, it locks in place. And now let's give it a shot, see how it holds up with the arm extended. Go ahead, we got a little rain here. So now we're gonna go and see how it does. There you go. So it's moving around just a little bit, not too bad. And this will at least give you an idea of how well it works. So check it out today. It works with the dash, the vent, and also the window. Appreciate your time. Thanks for liking this video, subscribing to my channel. And until the next video, have a great day and stay safe.